Okay, ready?
Go ahead. Oh, I got amperage. Wait. Again. Push it tight.
I feel like smoking. Smell it. Smell it?
No.
I see it.
Where?
Smoking the wires.
Where?
Right there. See it?
No.
Oh no. Gauges are moving.
Really?
Gauges are moving.
Woo!
Make it tight.
Woo.
You're just smelling the arcing that's going on there.
Hold on, let's
Manual, so make sure we're neutral.
Yeah, it just drives away. Oh no.
Where's the ignition hole?
It's a goofy. It's like a Porsche. Ready?
I can't get this thing. Which key is it?
So, okay. Has power.
It's
Sparking.
Yeah, it's sparking a lot.
Oof. Yeah, this thing's.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
It's because it's really loose and it's arcing. The negative. The negative cable.
Alright, hold up, I'm recording.
All right, let's see here.
First battery install. Ooh, it's a good thing I can talk.
Yeah, hold on. All right,
Now that
hold
we
on,
flip the
hold on.
battery.
Now we flip the battery. Probably have a little bit up there.
See what goes on now. Oh!
That's a good sign.
Woo!
Not much going on there.
Not much going
get some
on, but it's
brake
rotating.
Get some brake clean.
Start. It should be a little knob. Just flip the switch.
Well, I got some key on. Keys on. Headlights on.
None.
Fog lamps. Wipers.
Oh, wait. Do that switch again.
This one?
Yeah. It's really delayed, but it turns on.
What about this one?
Yeah, oh wait, it's like,
Is it coming on? It's coming to life?
it's flashing on and off every once in a while.
Which
It's
one?
off now, this one. It's a yellow light.
I'm sure mice got in there and shoot something.
Oh boy.
Anything else pop on?
I don't think so.
All right.
Hold on. Okay, Jeremy.
Hit her on.
Wait. I need someone. Is this thing gonna take off? That's the question.
There's no brakes, so you'll have to kill it right away.
No, you can't kill it. It's just gonna go, and that's the problem. Well, let's see. You're cranking it. Are you sure it's in neutral?
Yeah.
Because you're cranking it. It wasn't moving. So
Yeah.
try it.
It's almost like I should disconnect the drive shaft just in case.
No. If it was cranking and it was in gear, it would be moving right now.
Okay.
It's not moving, so it's in neutral.
Well, I mean, the wheels are a little flat, so
I don't have much carb cleaner.
it's fine.
Try that. Come on.
Use the throttle, yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
It probably doesn't have spark.
It may not have smart. Does this thing have points?
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that was a lot longer than I expected to get that radiator out, but created some major space here so we can at least get to those engine mounts. Get the bolts off for this guy right here. But funny thing, this thing is a block heater. You see that right there? 600 watts. Don't think this little guy needs 600 watts to for a block heater here. Pretty sure they're only like supposed to be like 100 watts or something, but yeah, 600, that's definitely not necessary for these little guys. It's not like this car's from like Alaska or anything. It used to originally be from California. Well, here we goes now. I gotta get this motor out. Probably gonna try getting the bolts out from under here. Probably gonna need to use heat again and get those out. But shouldn't be too long to get those out. Then we're gonna use the engine mount, skid out. Hopefully maybe we can be getting this motor out today. That'd be great. I'll just sit back and relax then.